Hello to everyone. I'm Renate Schulze-Rath. I am a physician by training and epidemiologist by training, and I'm located in Berlin, and I'm working at BAEG. And I am leading with Lars Pullinger from Charité Work Package 2 on the Harmony project. And the topic which I would like to give more details and answers is, what does this mean? What does it mean to work on a core outcomes set, and why is this needed within this project? And referring to Work Package 2, this is really big objective of Work Package 2 to work on a common core outcome set. The reason why we are working on this is that that many clinical trials and non-interventional trials on patients with hematological malignancies or blood cancer, there are many outcomes, different aspects which are covered in the study and which are analyzed in a specific randomized clinical trial and non-interventional study. Often the studies are quite small, and you are not able to compare it or to pool all the results of the different clinical or non-interventional studies together. So because they have different outcomes, or there are different aspects of a specific outcome. So when we created or worked on the development on the project proposal of Harmony, there was a decision made that it is really needed to work together on a common core outcome set, and to include aspects from each stakeholders group. So to include aspects or outcomes from clinicians, from pharmaceutical industry, even from regulatory authorities, what they need to decide whether there is a drug approved by the health authorities or not, or should be covered by the health insurance. And what is also very important in this project, or in the Harmony project, is to get the view from the patients. So to speak, patients patients have other outcomes which will be important for them. For instance, a clinician will always look on how the overall survival of a specific disease is. For a patient, it might be much more important to have results or views on the quality of life which he gets from if he takes this drug. Also from the pharmaceutical industry, it might be really very important to have some more insights on the side effects of a specific drugs. So we now in Harmony, we are working to get all the different aspects together and to define a so-called core outcome set, which is really applicable for all the different hematological malignancies or all the different entities of blood cancer. This is one aim what we would like to achieve. So a common core outcome set for applicable for all different entities of blood cancer. In parallel, we also would like to define specific outcomes which are applicable and suitable for the different specific blood cancers or hematological malignancies. At the end of our Harmony project, we think that we have agreed, or we may agree on a common core outcome sets, which can be used for all the different clinical trials and non-interventional studies which are coming in the futures, so that we could ideally then compare all the different studies to get the same comparable outcomes, to get bigger insight in for scientific research questions.